Good day, I am Nella Marie M. Zapeda and I am grateful for the opportunity to present my institutional assessment video presentation for the course Events Management Services NC3. So once again, good day Mr. Miguel Santos. I am Nella Marie M. Zapeda, the event director of the newly established events management company Clover Events and Services. You may contact us through our provided channels of communication including Facebook, email, and messages. But if you want us to accommodate you in a face-to-face setting, you may also visit us in our business address in Fort Bonifacio Post, Proper North Side, Taguig, Metro Manila. Now let us talk about our company's profile for you to get familiarized with who we are in event services industry. So in Clover Events and Services was established this year in the month of January, and we are dedicated to crafting unforgettable celebrations for our clients, as we believe that every event, big or small, deserves meticulous attention inspired from our company's name, which is Clover, that symbolizes luck and rarity, for a four-leaf clover representing life's milestones, backed up by our company tagline, making memories one leaf at a time, reflecting our commitment to creating lasting experiences. Thus, we offer comprehensive event planning and management services, from intimate gatherings to large-scale celebrations, with assurance that every detail a client wants, like you, on their event are flawlessly executed to be able to create a truly enjoyable program. We aim to bring people together through thoughtfully planned and beautifully executed events. We aim to handle every detail with care, creativity, and commitment so our clients can enjoy a stress-free, unforgettable experiences or events, all while visioning to be the most trusted and innovative events partner, known for crafting memorable events that blossom into lasting connection, one celebration, one milestone, one leaf at a time. But to be able to succeed in making your desired events, let me introduce you to my associates that will be working with me throughout this program or event. We have here Miss Vanessa Rinzusa, who will manage coordination with programs. Next is Miss Princess Jen Plaza, who will take charge in marketing and promotional activities, together with Miss Serene San Juan to manage venue coordination with the help of Miss Janet Santalian and Miss Danica Sarsua with financing. At Clover Events and Services, we value the interests of families, corporate clients, government or local government units, as well as those who are in non-government agencies, to make their event in accordance to their desired outcomes, while also promoting it through our marketing strategies, which are includes of digital, influential, print, and referrals marketings. So to add more with information about our group, here is our strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats analysis you may want to see, and able to give you a clear picture of what we can offer and what we can improve in no time, starting with our strengths, followed by our weaknesses, opportunities, and threats that may arise in managing your events. But rest assured that we are always with our commitment to do our best in every way possible, especially that we offer services like event planning, catering, entertainment, professional photography, design and decor, as well as event hosting on your personal, corporate, community, cultural, sports, and even social events. Here's our sample packing and pricing, together with sample products, giveaways, and foods for you to choose from with your uh, event choices. Following this is our sample venues. You may see along with their address, websites, Facebook pages, how many people can it accommodate, and most importantly, will this venue be cost effective with your budget allocation. Take note that these are just sample sites. You can still absolutely desire an event venue of your dreams, as our options are not limited, supported by our partners and sponsors you can see in this slide. Continuing, here is our letter of intent to show how grateful we are that you considered our company to handle one of your precious events in life. We also indicated how interested and committed our team was in delivering a smooth, efficient, and engaging movie theater for you. Along with this is our uh, prepared event brief for you to cite. As you can see, we put all the details that are based solely on your interest, from theme to your preferred event date and time. In the next slide, we have here the actual scenery that is needing of your approval to make it happen. It consists of red carpet for the attendees, the movie screening itself, dinner buffet after the screening, and for the fun part, we also have included a portion where guests or attendees can meet the cast of the movie you're film premiering. Next is where we pictured is it to happen, which is by the Quezon City Performing Arts Theater. We also have here our invitation design that will be sent out to your attendees, together with the products or giveaways that will be handed out after an event. Next is the stage and decor. There will be in the there will be in this event. We have decided that it is best for it to be inspired in a retro red cinematic event to reflect your theme of celebrating cinema, which means valuing an established tradition throughout the generation of film industry. Following this is the budget and costing made after careful deliberation of what are the places, caters, materials, and equipments that are needed in the event. The total budget we propose is 2,678,287 pesos, point 668 cents. This cost is deeply rooted to what's going to be put in the event per se, featured in this floor plan provided by our team. Furthermore, we have also included an event timeline for you to monitor all the things or activities that are needed to be done to ensure that we are on track with this event, as it is considered a large scale celebration. Together with it is the event flow, and that will start with a 2-hour ingress, followed by a 6-hour main event activities, and finally another 2-hour egress. Here's an event checklist following this, done to make sure that everything will turn out smooth and successful for your event. And if ever that you are worrying about safetyness and dangers that are inevitable in every event, we are equipped and prepared with a detailed emergency response on how are we going to deal with it in an orderly and correct manner. You may also cite our risk management plan shown in the slide for us to give you an assurance how we take like this in a serious fashion. Included in here as well are emergency hotlines in the event area in case of sudden situation that are unavoidable. Um, in addition to that, or furthermore, we are permitted by the DTI, BIR, as well as by the local government area we are in, so rest assured that our company is legit and that our work will be always at its utmost quality and success. Please cite our prepared contract for you as a client and memorandum of agreement with our site location. That is all for my presentation. I am looking forward to working with you in this event and to any future celebration you may have with your career. Thank you very much.